Materials are fundamental to nearly every aspect of modern life, and their performance is critical in maintaining safety, reliability, and innovation. Advanced materials testing and analysis are essential for solving complex material failures, investigating corrosion issues, selecting the ideal material for production, and evaluating the properties of diverse components. At Rimkus, our state-of-the-art laboratory is equipped to meet these challenges with precision and expertise. From materials used in performance racing and aerospace applications, to nearly every product we use daily, the engineering behind these materials can easily be taken for granted. But what happens when these materials fail or behave unexpectedly? When performance or safety is on the line, accurate testing and thorough investigation are essential. The experts at Rimkus Materials Testing and Investigation bring science to the forefront. We provide trusted testing solutions to help solve complex cases and bring clarity to challenging matters. Our consultants specialize in materials failure analysis, corrosion investigation, weld testing, and material characterization. Our experts are not only skilled scientists, they're passionate about solving problems, uncovering hidden truths, and helping our clients accomplish their goals. These testing and analysis services provide a critical insight to ensure materials perform as they should and help explain why they may not. With cutting-edge technology and decades of combined experience, the expert consultants at Rimkus Materials Testing and Investigation specialize in analyzing a variety of materials, including metals, polymers, additive manufacturing, and composites. Our consultants offer in-depth insight that are critical for materials performance. With vast expertise and a commitment to quality, our team approaches each project with a detailed, methodical approach. We don't just perform tests, we help interpret the results, uncover hidden issues, and provide actionable solutions for our clients. Every investigation is unique. That's why we offer personalized services to meet each project's specific needs so that we can deliver clear, concise reports that inform our clients of their next step. Whether our clients are designing a new product, facing a quality issue, experiencing an unplanned manufacturing shutdown, or investigating a failure, understanding the behavior of materials is crucial. From stress tests to chemical analysis, our lab uses advanced techniques to identify weakness, identify failures, and optimize material performance. Why do clients repeatedly trust Rimkus Materials Testing and Investigation with their most critical evidence? Because at Rimkus, we combine scientific technology with our significant depth of knowledge and experience, and our commitment to accuracy, reliability, and integrity. When the stakes are high and the answers matter, clients need a partner they can rely on to provide accurate results in a time frame they require. Contact us today to learn more about how Rimkus experts can support your materials testing needs.